Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by tracking sleep for 2 weeks using a diary or app. Record bedtime, wake time, naps, caffeine, and mood each morning. Look for patterns and variability in sleep duration and timing. Choose a consistent sleep window that allows 7 to 9 hours nightly and fits your life. Set a fixed wake time first, then calculate a bedtime that aligns with 90-minute sleep cycles. Limit naps to 15 to 30 minutes, and avoid late afternoon naps that disrupt night sleep. Create a calming pre-bed routine that starts about 1 hour before sleep. Dim lights and stop screens to boost natural melatonin production and relax your brain. Engage in low-energy activities like reading, stretching, or breathing exercises for 10 to 20 minutes. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, ideally between 60 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid caffeine after noon and limit alcohol, since both fragment sleep and reduce restorative deep sleep stages. Anchor your circadian rhythm with bright light exposure for 30 to 90 minutes after waking. Spend morning time outside or near a bright window to advance or stabilize timing. If you need to shift your schedule, move bedtime by 15 to 30 minutes each day until aligned. Maintain consistent meal times and avoid vigorous exercise within 2 hours of bedtime. Use one early morning walk and avoid frequent late-night phone use to keep your sleep cycle stable long-term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.